This tutorial is for the covered Jersey City face shield design. Fold the center flap down and connect the two side pieces. Place headband A with 4 holes on the outside of headband B with 6 holes. Align the headband holes with the holes in the plastic. Insert the zip tie through the shield plastic and the 2 headbands from the outside. Pull the zip tie through and insert it back through the other hole. Guide the plastic around the headband and repeat on the other side. This side will be a little tricky, and it might help to insert the zip tie through the plastic first and then go through one headband at a time, and this goes for the second hole as well. As long as you get the zip tie through all of the correct holes, you can adjust it later. Pull both zip ties and make sure everything is sitting flat and nicely. With everything in place, close both zip ties. Using a nail clipper, trim off the excess. This will create a rounded edge that isn't sharp. Thread the end of the tourniquet band through the hole in the end of the headband. Then tie a knot or two to secure it in place. Repeat on the other side. For the cover design, the plastic will appear to cover too much and go over the edge of the headband. But when you open the headband to wear it, the plastic will be the right curve. Your new face shield is ready to wear.